Hey folks, Troy here, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you something that I actually found out by accident. This is going to be a quick LeadsLeap tutorial, a quick review, basically just sharing with you an accidental secret that I found out that I started using last night to get leads quickly. I mean, super fast. So when this video is over, if you don't have a LeadsLeap account, or maybe you had a LeadsLeap account, you haven't used it in a while, you don't remember your password, your email, whatever, you can, when this video is over, go to my YouTube channel, click on the links inside my YouTube channel and look for the LeadsLeap link so that you could sign up for a free account. And once you do that, it will allow me to send you bonus tips and instructions for getting more traffic super fast, right? Basically how to create your ads, what you should put, what you shouldn't put. But let's dig right into this. So when you sign up for LeadsLeap, the very first thing that you want to do is you want to watch this tutorial video when you log into your back office. Whatever you do, watch this, because this is going to explain all of these different things like the social reviews, the advertising, the lead trackers, link trackers rather, right? Email marketing tips, how to use SendSpeed. This can be very overwhelming if you don't know what it is that you're doing. But in my case, I simplify everything. So take a look at this. Total visits, I had 147,529 visits. This says in the past 7 days that I got 799 visitors to my ads. And this is what I want you to pay attention to. And I want to explain this a little further because this is very exciting. I do not recommend you remain a free member for more than 10 minutes. And I absolutely mean that. The reason why is that LeadsLeap is a typical traffic exchange. What I mean by that is, as a free member, for every ad that you click on and that you view, you're going to get one ad credit. And the credits and videos are over here, right? Pro members are featured in these ads. So the pro membership currently right now, at the time of me shooting this video, it's $27 a month. It will be absolutely worth it if you do what it is that I'm getting ready to share with you. So upgrade, just trust me when I say this. And let me share with you what happened between 11 p.m. last night and 8:30 a.m. this morning. So realistically, overnight, I ended up generating 13 leads. I woke up this morning and saw this and was just like, okay, wow. Now, some people that I know that use traffic exchanges don't get results. You know, if they get one lead every few days, you know, that's not really a whole lot of success. But what if you could do what it is that I'm getting ready to suggest to you? What if you could do this every 3 or 4 days, or even if you just did this once a week? Just imagine, you know, I mean, if you did this every 3 or 4 days, you did it twice a week, and you ended up getting on average about 15, maybe 20 leads quickly, right? That could end up being, in a month, 60, you know, or maybe 80 leads. And that is absolutely worth the $27 a month investment. So here's what I believe happened, and why this is a great idea. I am guessing that the algorithm for LeadsLeap pays very close attention to new ads and a lot of activity. I took about 40 to 45 minutes last night and I created all 10 of these ads, right? So I believe because LeadsLeap, somehow their algorithm sees that you're doing a lot of activity, I believe they're redirecting visitors to your site so that they could see what it is that you're doing, as opposed to adding one ad at a time, and then maybe, you know, a few hours later or a few days later, you add another ad. I took about 45 minutes and I did all 10 of these ads. Now, some of them have nothing, right? 0 website visitors, 12 website visitors, 57 website visitors, 89, 107, 129, 172. This was the best one so far. 114, 43, 76. Guess what? What happened in this case did not happen in 7 days. It happened in about 8 to 8.5 hours. I'm one shy of 800 website visitors, and I just showed you I generated 13 leads. So here's what I recommend. If you have a LeadsLeap account, you know, you're actively promoting it, delete all of your posts, right? Delete them all. Start over and just one right after the other, add new ads. LeadsLeap will recognize you as being highly active on the website, and I think they're feeding you with a lot more website traffic. Again, I can't verify this, but any other time that I've used LeadsLeap, you know, without doing any co-op traffic or co-op ads, anything like that, which you can do, this is all free traffic, you know, and I expect by the time the day is over, I'll probably end up with maybe 15 or 20 leads. Again, you know, you can do that every few days, a couple of times a week, and end up getting however many leads it is that you want for 27 bucks as a pro member. You know, I believe I will probably end up breaking through like 80 leads. Try getting 80 leads for $27 anywhere else, and I really don't think that it'll work out. Look, if you got some value from this video, shoot me over a like, comment on the video. I'll respond. Subscribe to my channel. And with that being said, again, go to my channel, click on the links, look for the LeadsLeap link, sign up for a free account, make sure that you upgrade. Thanks so much for watching this video. Once again, I'm Troy. I hope you have an amazing day. Take care.